Best home remedies to prevent saggy breasts and keep them perfectly perky forever. Every woman desires perfectly shaped breasts. Unfortunately, this desire is not possible in most cases because breast sagging is a process that comes naturally with age. It causes the breasts lose their suppleness and elasticity. Breast sagging usually happens after a woman reaches 40, but it can happen earlier. Other factors that trigger this are breastfeeding, pregnancy, menopause, rapid weight loss or gain, exhausting exercise, nutritional deficiencies, and wearing a poorly fitting bra. Some diseases like breast cancer or respiratory conditions like tuberculosis can also cause breasts to sag. Also, excessive consumption of nicotine, alcohol, and carbonated beverages can contribute to the problem. Breasts are made of fat, connective tissues, and glands that produce milk, and they need appropriate care to keep them in good shape. 1. Cucumber and egg yolk. This mask with cucumber and egg yolk is an amazing remedy for lifting the breasts. Cucumber includes natural skin toning characteristics, while egg yolk includes high protein levels and vitamins that can help treat sagging breasts. Mash 1 small cucumber in a blender. Add 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of butter or cream to prepare a paste. Then, apply it onto your breasts and let it sit for about half an hour. Rinse it thoroughly with cold water. Prepare and use this mask once weekly to firm and strengthen the breast tissues. 2. Egg white. Egg white is another food that is good for sagging breasts because of its astringent and skin-nourishing characteristics. The hydrolipids included in egg white aids lift loose skin around breasts. Whip 1 egg white until you get a foamy texture. Put the resulted mixture on your breasts and let it sit for half an hour. Rinse it off with cucumber or onion juice and then with cold water. Follow this remedy once a week to firm breasts. 3. Exercise. Exercises must be included in your daily routine if you have saggy breasts. These exercises should target breast tissues and pectoral muscles around the chest. Chest presses and pulls, arm raises, roundabout push-ups, dumbbell flies are some of the exercises you can perform to firm sagging breasts. Wear a supportive or sports bra while exercising. 4. Olive oil massage. Antioxidants and fatty acids are highly present in olive oil. These ingredients can overturn the damage triggered by free radicals and avoid sagging breasts. Additionally, it will improve the skin tone and texture. Apply some olive oil onto your palms and rub them together to produce heat. Then, massage your palms over your breasts in an upward motion. Do this gently for about 15 minutes to boost blood flow and motivate cell repair. Prepare this remedy and do the same procedure minimum 4 or 5 times weekly. Also, you can use other oils to massage your breasts, like almond, argan, avocado, or jojoba oil.